Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Bearry Star Tarot. Have you ever felt like there is something special deep inside you, a quiet strength or a strange intuition that you couldn't quite name? Today, we're exploring a deeply personal topic, your unique hidden power. Your guides wants to show you the incredible tools you're born with so you can start using them to brighten your world. This is a general reading, so please be gentle with yourself. Take the messages that light a fire in your hearts, and if something doesn't resonate, feel free to pick another pile that calls to your soul. Now, take a deep breath, center your energy, and let's reveal the masterpiece that is you. Hello, Pile 1. You chose the wing. This is a sign of divine elevation. You have the ability to rise above the noise. Pile 1. Your gift is the master of manifestation. It starts with the High Priestess. You've always had a knowing. You can feel when someone is lying or when a big shift is coming before it happens. In the past, you might have felt like you were just lucky when things went your way. But look at the magician. This is the core of your power. You have the ability to turn thoughts into physical matter. When you focus your intent, the universe literally moves to provide the resources you need. You aren't just reacting to life, you are coding it. The Four of Pentacles shows how this gift manifests in your daily life. You have a natural talent for resource mastery. Whether it's money, time, or energy, you know how to protect and grow what you have. You are the person who can take a small idea and turn it into a solid, lasting foundation. You're building a legacy, and your gift ensures that you will never be without. Your angel says, Ace of Action, new opportunity to use this power is arriving. Trust your drive. Let's check out the secret message. You got the Emperor. You are being healed from instability. If you grew up feeling like life was chaotic, your gift is here to give you command. You are learning that you have the authority to rule your own world. You are the sovereign of your destiny. You are moving from being a passive dreamer to a powerful creator. By combining your deep intuition with practical action, you will achieve a level of financial and personal stability that most only dream of. A life of unshakable security and realized dreams. Pile 1. Spread your wings. You are the architect of your own miracles. Thank you for listening. See you in next reading. Welcome, Pile 2. You chose the dragon. The dragon represents ancient wisdom and protection. Your power is fierce, radiant, and deeply transformative. Pile 2. Your gift is the alchemist of abundance. You have the Knight of Pentacles energy, which means your power is in your patience and your incredible work ethic. You are the one who stays when others leave, and because of that, you see the gold at the end of the rainbow. The star is your spiritual essence. Your soul carries a healing frequency. People feel calmer just by sitting next to you. You have a natural ability to bring hope to hopeless situations. In the past, you might have noticed that when you're happy, the people around you suddenly get lucky too. You are a literal luck charm for your community. The Ten of Pentacles is the magnificent result. Your gift will lead to generational wealth and harmony. This isn't just about a one-time win, it's about creating a ripple effect of abundance that lasts. You have the power to heal your family's relationship with money and success. You are the one who breaks the cycle of lack and replaces it with a traditional of plenty. The angel card, Guardian of Thought. It says, stay focused. Your mind is your greatest tool. And let's check out the secret message. You got the Chariot card. Your healing is victory over fear. You are being healed from the feeling of being stuck. Your gift gives you the momentum to crash through obstacles. You are moving from a quiet star to a powerful force that cannot be stopped. In summary, your steady dedication and healing light are creating a massive shift toward total abundance. You are transforming your environment into a place of luxury and peace. You will be the cornerstone of a thriving, wealthy, and happy family legacy. Pi 2, your fire is sacred. Keep shining your light and claiming your wealth. Thank you for listening. See you next reading. Hello, Pi 3. You chose the butterfly. The butterfly is the ultimate symbol of transformation. Your gift is the power to turn the darkness of the cocoon into the beauty of flight. Pi 3. Your gift is the soul boner. You have a unique ability shown by the Two of Cups to create instant, deep connections. You can read hearts. You know exactly what to say to make someone feel seen. This is a rare social and spiritual magnetism. The Knight of Wands shows that when you are inspired, your energy is infectious. You have the power to ignite passion in others. You are a visionary who can lead a movement or inspire a revolution just through your enthusiasm. In the past, your best moments came when you acted on a sudden, fiery impulse. You were born to lead people through change. The Hanged Man adds a profound layer, sacred perspective. You have the gift of seeing the world upside down, meaning you see solutions that are invisible to everyone else. While others are panic-stricken, you see the lesson and the path forward. Like a butterfly waiting to emerge, you turn waiting into winning by looking at the truth behind the veil. This wisdom makes you a natural counselor and a spiritual guide. The angel says, manifest your dreams. Your deep sensitivity is not a weakness. It is your magic wand. Let's check out the secret message. Your healing is infinite nurturing. You are being healed from the feeling of not being enough. Your gift is the power of the divine feminine. You are a source of life, creativity, and beauty. You are learning that your mere presence is a gift to the world, and you deserve to be nurtured just as much as you nurture others. To summarize your journey, you are merging your social magnetism with a deep visionary wisdom. You are moving from seeking approval to becoming the queen of your own abundant reality. Like the butterfly, your struggle in the cocoon was only to strengthen your wings. A life surrounded by love, creative success, and a deep sense of soulful fulfillment. Pi 3. Your wings are ready. Trust your vision and beauty of your transformation. Thank you for listening. See you in next reading. And so, we have unveiled the beautiful hidden powers that live within you. Whether you are a manifestor like Pi 1, an alchemist like Pi 2, or a visionary like Pi 3, remember that you were born with these gifts for a reason. The universe is aligning to help you step into your true power, and you are worthy of the magic you create. I'm so honored to have been the one to remind you of your own brilliance today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in our next journey. Bye.